Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. Do you want to hide posts from homepage or blog archive on your WordPress site? In this video, I will show you how to easily hide posts from your blog or homepage. For this, visit dashboard, scroll down to the plugins, and click on Add New. Search WordPress Hide Post plugin. Activate first plugin. Now go back to dashboard. From the settings, you can see hide post section. Click on it. Here you have 5 options, 6 options to hide posts from Elementor library or landing page. When you click on page, it will disable on all pages. Leave them. Go to post section. Edit posts that you want to hide. From the sidebar, scroll down. You can see hide post section. Click on it. Here you have multiple options to hide posts. You can hide on front page, hide on categories, hide on search. When you click on select all, now your post will not appear on your live site. Only users that have direct link to the post can view this post. Let's see. Click on hide on blog page and update. Now go back to dashboard. Visit site. Go to blog page. Here you can see the post not showing. That's how you can hide your post in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.